Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can accept money on PayPal account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you'll have to type in www.paypal.com, and once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the profile page. So on this page you need to tap on get started, which is right in between, and as you tap on it, you'll be directed to login and sign up page. So what you need to do is you have to log in into your PayPal account using your email address and password associated to it, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the homepage. So whenever a person is transferring money to your PayPal account, then the money will be automatically added to your PayPal balance. So then, as I mentioned before, that automatically it will be added to your PayPal balance. So in order to accept the money on PayPal, you must make sure that you've already created a PayPal account and then registered your account as well as verified your email, and only then you'll be able to accept the money on PayPal. So that is how you can accept money on PayPal account. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.